G'day, I'm Steve from Starting From Scratch, and we specialise in window repairs and glass scratch removal. And we've been in business since 2019. We offer scratch removal from double glazed windows, single glazed windows, kitchen splashbacks, mirrors, really anything with a glass surface. We can help repair that without having to go through replacement costs. We've built quite a healthy client base over the last 4 years, especially with the home builders, where we come in and remove the scratches. They don't have to deal with the headache of replacing a double glazed window or splashback, etc. We also help private clients where they might have their beloved pet that has scratched the hell out of the sliding door. We can come along, remove all the scratches where they might be selling the home or leaving their rental property. So other private clients are your car owners, where they will have some scratched door windows. We can come along and remove that, especially vintage car lovers. They don't want to replace their original glass that might be about 50 years old. There is a sense of reward and satisfaction when you see that a client has just purchased brand new double glazed windows or upgraded this on their new home and have come across scratches where we can come and repair them. And when they see the finishing result, especially for a feature window overlooking their back garden or swimming pool, they are pretty happy with the results, and it makes us pretty happy that it's worked out for them as well without having to spend the money on huge replacement costs. We can also help shop owners around the city where their shop front has been graffiti tagged. So since moving over to the Mirka products, especially the Abrasives sanding pads, we've found that even though we've paid a little bit more per disc, we're using those discs for a lot longer than the cheaper products. The foam backing on each disc is a soft but heavy duty where it won't tear. And it's critical not to embed the pads into the glass too much where you're creating distortions. So we've also switched to the Mirka Polish pad, which gives a great finish of removing all the sanding that you've already done with the Abrasives pads. You obviously want to get the window back to brand new as it was, and the Mirka Polish pad is great it's got a great grab onto the glass. Using the Mirka E3 polish along with the polish pad, it gives a great result where you're getting out all that sanding so quickly as well, which means you can get to the next job. So we moved to buying Mirka products with Best Abrasives 3 years ago now, and they've been fantastic for us. Our worry probably was that they're interstate in Sydney. We're obviously Melbourne based, and just getting the product in time. Ryan and the crew there at Best Abrasives had gauged our product usage per month, and we had no issues. We'll put an order in like on the Wednesday and we'll get it by the Friday. They are straight onto it,